Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can go ahead and buy Peipei Coin, which is this one. As you can see, it's on Ethereum network, this one, and it is on Uniswap and Gate.io. So we can use either of those. So for example, for today, let's use Uniswap. Go ahead and launch the application. You can do this on your phone too. And also you will need to go ahead and connect your wallet. So click connect and choose a wallet which you want to go ahead and connect. So I'm just gonna choose MetaMask. Now we have it here. Now we can go ahead and select a token. So you want to go ahead here and copy the contract address. Now go ahead, paste it here, find it here, understand, and you can go ahead and swap it from Ethereum. For example, on Uniswap, it's this one. So we can go ahead and use it. Now you're going to enter the amount which you want to go ahead and sell of the Ethereum, and that's how much PayPay you will get. The gas fee is that much. It's because it's on Ethereum. Now you can also use this one, and now as you can see, the network fee is much lower, like in half. So I would suggest to use the WETH, and then you will have less fees. So you can go ahead and swap to this one. And of course, you need to have cryptocurrencies on your MetaMask wallet. And that's how you buy PayPay on Uniswap. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.